Hello children, myself Anindita Banerjee back again with another informative video of online class of chapter 5, chapter 1, more about plants. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Please utilize the valuable time which you have got now in your studies. I hope you are regularly following my videos. I have already uploaded the first chapter of your science book that is more about plants. Please go through the chapter properly. Now, today I will be doing the exercise of the book page wise. Please revise what I am teaching through my videos regularly. Okay, now let's start. More about plants. Can you see the page? This is the first page of your book. Now, see stepping stones. Have you seen stepping stones? Now, there is the exercise over there in page 1. Unscramble the words and write the function of each part of a plant. Now, first it is given, the question is EALF. Now, if I unscramble it, it will be LEAF. It is leaf. Now, in the question they have asked, write the function of each part. Now, the function of the leaf is to prepare food for the plant, as you already know, and it is also often called the food factory of the plant, as because it prepares food for the plant. Is it clear? The function of leaf. Now we come to the second part of the question, that is TESM. Now what is TESM? It is stem. STEM. Now what is the function of the stem? The main function of the stem are to support an elevation of leaves, fruits and flowers. Okay. So the main function of the stem is to give support to the plant. Okay. An elevation of leaves, fruits and flowers means the leaves, fruits and flowers are in the stem. They are found in the stem. Okay. Now we come to the next part of the question, that is LFWERO. Now that is FLOWER. That is flower. Is it clear? Now what is the main function of the flower? The most important function of the flower is reproduction. Is it clear? The most important function of flower is reproduction. Okay. Now the next question is TROO. The answer to this is root. 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 Okay. Now what is the function of the root? Root helps in anchoring of the plant body to the ground and supporting it, and it also sometimes stores food and nutrients. Is it clear to you? Have everyone understood? Now see, the last part of the question is, do you think a plant part can have more than one function? Of course, the answer to this question is yes, which I had already written. Please go through this page properly and learn it. Okay, now I'll move to the next page of your science book. Next page of your science book. This is, see, page 2. Page 2. Okay, is it clear? Page 2. At the top of the book, the question is, which part of the plants shown below produce seeds? Okay, see, the pictures are given: a tomato, cucumber, potato, carrot and orange, which I had already discussed in my video. See, so the answer to this question is tomato, cucumber and orange. These produce seeds. I have shown you also in my video. Okay. Now in this page we don't have any more exercises. Now I come to page 3. I come to page 3. Page 3. Okay. Page 3. Now there's I have shown you the kidney bean seed, the seed structure. Okay. Cotyledons, baby root, baby shoot, seed coat. I've explained you what is what. Seed coat. What is seed coat? Let me revise it again. seed coat is the outer covering of the seed, okay, and it protects the baby plant. And this kidney bean shaped has two seed leaves which are called cotyledons, okay. And what is the function of the cotyledon? It is to store food for the plant, okay. And we come to an embryo. What is embryo? The cotyledon is a baby plant and which is known as the embryo, okay. Now here the question is, now study a corn seed in the same manner. We have to study a corn seed. Now see, the question is, are the two seeds similar in structure? That is, two seeds means bean seed and a corn seed. See, I'll show you a corn seed and a bean seed. Are they similar? No, not at all. So, are the two seeds similar in structure? The answer is no. The answer is no. Now, the next question is, how many seed leaves does a corn seed have? The answer to this question is only one seed. Okay. So, a corn seed have one seed. Okay. Sorry, a corn seed have only one seed leaf. Clear? Now I move to the next page of your science book. That is page 5. Page 5. Page 4 has no exercise. Page 5. Okay. Now page 5 there is one activity. Okay. See, in activity it is written, take 2 pots and fill them with some moist soil. Now put about 50 to 60 kidney bean seeds in pot 1 and ensure that the seeds are sown too close to each other. Then put 6 seeds in pot 2 and place them far from each other. Keep the 2 pots in sunlight and water the seeds regularly. Observe them after few days. Which one starts germinating fast? Okay, see, in pot 1, the seeds are sown too close to each other. But in pot 2, the seeds are far apart from each other. Is at a distance. Is it clear? Am I clear to you? Now both the pots are watered. They receive sunlight. Both the pots are receiving sunlight. And air is of course for both the pots. Now the question arises, which one starts germinating fast? Which one starts germinating fast? That is pot 2. Pot 2. Okay. Why? Because the seeds are not close to each other. Therefore, they are getting adequate amount of air, water and sunlight, which is very much required for the seed to germinate. I have discussed this in my earlier videos that the 3 necessary conditions for proper germinations are air, water and warmth or sunlight. Am I clear to you? So the answer is, which one starts germinating fast? Pot 2. Now I move to page 6. You have no exercise. Page 6, no exercise in it. Page 7 also has no exercise in it. Now I go to page 8. Page 8 of your science book. Now here there is given, track your progress. Track your progress. Okay, 2 small questions has been given here. Answer the following questions. What are the necessary conditions required for germination? Okay. I have repeated this answer several times in my videos. So the necessary conditions for germinations are air, water and warmth. Air, water and warmth. Okay. The next question is, name a seed that is dispersed by water. I have written down, that is coconut. Again, name a seed that is dispersed by wind. That is cotton. And name a seed that is dispersed by animals. That is lychee. Okay, clear? Now, I move to the next page, that is page 9. page 9, which has no exercise again. Now I turn to page 10, which also has no exercise again. Now I turn to page 11. Page 11. Okay. Now there is an exercise over here. Okay. Track your progress. Okay. Say true or false. Okay. Bryophyllum reproduces from stem. So this is false. Bryophyllum reproduces from stem. That is false. Okay. So the correct answer to this question is, if I were in class, you would be able to answer. But as because now we are at our home, so I am telling you the answer to this is, the answer is false. But the correct answer to this question, that is Bryophyllum reproduces from leaves. Okay. Now, next question. Ferns reproduce from leaves. Again, this is also false because ferns reproduces from spores. Okay. Sweet potato is a stem that stores food. The answer to this question is false because sweet potato is a root that stores food. Clear? Am I clear to you all? I hope so. Now I'll go to the next page. The next page is page 12, which again has no exercise. Again I'll move to page 13. That also has no exercise. Now I'll move to page 14, where the chapter ends, which has also no exercise. Now page 15. Okay. Unscramble the words. See, unscramble the words. Okay. Now it is given, first question is EPSITCDIES. What is it? The answer to this is pesticides. Pesticides. Next is UAGIREUTLRC. That the answer is agriculture. Next one is HAVESRTNGI. That is harvesting. Next is RAKHIF. That is kharif. Next is GAIRRIOINT. That is irrigation. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? The answer to this question is irrigation. Everyone, is it clear? Now I will move to the next page of your science book. Page 16. Again we have in page 16, state true or false. First question is, wheat crop needs a lot of water for growth. The answer is false. They do not need so much water. Okay, they do not need lots of water. Next is, animals are not the agents of seed dispersal. False, because animals are the agents of seed dispersal. Crops can be destroyed by grazing animals. This is true. Yes, grazing animals can destroy the crops by eating them. Now we have, biopesticides are biodegradable in nature. True. Yes. Kidney bean seed has 2 cotyledons. Yes. The answer to this question is also true. Now we come to the next portion of the question, that is fill in the blanks. The first question is, most plants grow from seeds. Yes, this we have done many times. I have shown in my video that most plants reproduce from seeds. Okay. Next question is, dash is dispersed by water. So coconut is dispersed by water. Next question is, harvesting is the process in which crops are dash and dash. Harvesting is the process in which crops are cut and gathered. Cut and gathered. Okay? Cut and gathered. Next question is, dash can reproduce by spores. The answer is, fungi can reproduce by spores. Fungi can reproduce by spores. Next, fifth one is, dash the fields can prevent grazing animals from entering them. From entering them. So answer is, fencing the fields can prevent grazing animals from entering them. Yes. Now I come to match the following. Okay. Match the following. Now with this kharif crops, I can match kharif crops with rice, because rice is a kharif crops. Now the second one is rabi crops. Rabi crop. Now radish is a rabi crop. Third one is weeds. Weeds means, I told you, unwanted plants. Unwanted plants are called weeds. Fiber crop. Now jute is a fiber crop. Okay. Now irrigation. Irrigation is provide water to crops. Yes, the process of providing water to the crops is known as irrigation. I have discussed this in my earlier videos. So irrigation, provide water to crops. Yes. So I have completed the exercise of your book. Please go through it, because I have already uploaded the first chapter of your science book, that is more about plants, in the website, which you can all see. Please go through it. You have ample time now. Don't waste your time. Stay in good health. You will get it in shared documents. Please check it. Go through the exercise, learn it, read the lesson, revise the questions which I had given in the question bank. I'll discuss with you definitely. Now next class or next online class, I will be doing the answer the following questions in brief. Okay. Please get ready with your science classwork copy, that is interleaf copy. Okay. Use one new interleaf copy if you have any, because you couldn't get the book and the copies from school. We are waiting to give you. As soon as we get that opportunity, we'll be surely giving you. So please, till then, if you have a new science exercise copy, you please write the answers. I will upload those answers in my next class. Thank you all.